Hold up. Wait a minute.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is my brother's new car. It's a EP3 2004 Type R, as we can see, facelift version. This is going to be a couple of videos that I'll upload in with any modifications that he does or anything like that. Today the exhaust is off, as we can see. Got the standard mid pipe and back box, and obviously underneath it's obviously all off. There's going to be a DC Sports one going on, so that'll be another part of the video, but I'll put it into the same video. And just a bit of a walk around of the car. See, nice clean car. And we got someone put Premier carpet in, and he's just bought new mats. It's got a double din stereo that is in there as well. It's got a hard race. Not going to be able to see, but you can see there. Hard race just as there. And we've got an intake on it as well, which we'll show you when we get the bonnet open. So, see you in a second. And here's the exhaust. So, we've got a nice DC Sports catback system. As you can see on here, DC Sports there, DC Sports mid pipe, and obviously the exhaust, the back box. Not sure if this has got a logo on it or I don't think it does. So yeah, so what we'll do is we'll get this fitted, and then we'll do a startup video and see what it sounds like. We'll do a couple of revs and hopefully get that classic ignition fake launch control sound. And yeah, I don't think my brother's actually, I don't think my brother knows about that yet, so I'm looking forward to telling him when the exhaust is fitted. So yeah, I'll update you when the exhaust is fitted. So the mid pipe's going on. You can see there's 3 bolts on the flange. So you've just got to do those 3 up, put a gasket in between, and then you've got a 2-bolt flange on this side, which again, you'll want to use a gasket as well. So we've got the exhaust all bolted up now. Brother's just doing the final tweaks. So all bolted from the cat back all through there. And there we go. And then if we it's fitting nice, not sticking out too far. Just see the nice logo. So we'll do a startup in a second. So we're just about to do the first start, so we're all going to hear it for the first time. So go on then. So obviously it's on a cold start, so it's only going to get a bit quieter, but sounds nice.